Ẹ̀yin tèmi a kú dédé wòyí, a kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin yìí sọ lórí ìbáṣepọ̀ Tóyìn Abraham àti Iyabo Ojo. Gbogbo ntẹ́yìn náà bá rò lórí fídíò ọ̀hún, ẹ fi dáhùn yín, ẹ fi sí orí comment section. Ire o.
Iyabo Ojo, is it Tóyìn Abraham? That is your sister. That is a sister, a friend that has turned sister. Blood does not only bind sisters. You see, to get friends like that is very rare. She threw away her celebrity status. She threw away everything, wig, shoes, and she covered, she shielded this occasion. She mangled. If you ask me from experience, Toyin, your sister, when you lost from the previous life, she tried to come this life. That is too real, too raw to be fake. I'm not saying that the celebrities, though. You know they have for people to come in between honor. But see, no matter what happens for life, Tóyìn Abraham is your sister. Tóyìn Abraham, I doff cap for you. You're too much. I've always assumed you're just a movie maker because I don't know you one-on-one. I know you from afar. But I never knew. You're this real. I never knew. You're this solid. Iyabo, you do not need a forest when you have Tóyìn Abraham in your life. This singular person is enough. I dey echo am because I know, say, with age and experience, you know what I'm saying, Iyabo Ojo. Tóyìn Abraham is too raw, she's too real. I respect her today. If not for anything, I wanted to make a full video about highlights of things I picked from this marriage and this wedding. But this Tóyìn zone calls for a singular video. It calls for a separate video. She is unique. I watched that all through. I don't know see the highlights. The highlight for me for this wedding. On Iyabo's side is Tóyìn Abraham, and on Priscilla's side is Chioma Good Hair. But Tóyìn Abraham threw away steeze, threw away composure, walked around it. She shielded Iyabo, she shielded Priscilla. Some of una, they see things ordinarily as social media. But me, they see who really work for that occasion. Who really carrying head not for ground, say this occasion must succeed. Because it's one thing to spend money, but it's another thing for what you're doing to turn out successful. Tóyìn, I doff cat for you. May God bless your home. May God bless you. Respect maximum from me. I need to they tell people so they respect. But you respect Tóyìn too much. Now you singularly, I see for this occasion, I doff cap about. I say friends still day. Real friends still day. Rough friends still day. When I know that's how they shout, I enter Delta level. I enter Pidgin English and English now they mix together. Because now so the story go taste sweet. Tóyìn too much. You're too much, Tóyìn Abraham. You're too much. Too much. I told her for you. You're too much. Wisdom